I'll show you how easy it is to make this chicken burger at home. Hi, I'm Rosal. Let's make it.
In a large bowl, combine fresh milk and vinegar to make homemade buttermilk. Let it sit for 5 minutes to thicken. Once thickened, add chicken and toss to coat evenly. Cover with plastic wrap and set aside overnight. To make the breading, whisk together flour, paprika, cumin, fried chicken seasoning, ground black pepper, and salt. You can set aside 2 tablespoons of this flour mixture to make a gravy. Add the marinated chicken to the seasoned flour and toss to coat well. Set the chicken aside onto a tray. You can freeze this if cooking later. When ready, heat enough oil in a frying pan. Use a thermometer to fry at the right temperature every time. Add the breaded chicken. Cook until golden brown and delicious on both sides. Set aside to drain on a rack. To assemble, place a buttered and toasted bun on a plate, spread with mayo, add lettuce, and then the chicken fillet on top. Finish with the top of the bun. It's ready to serve!